Okay, thank you. Yeah. So in the last session, we discussed about the difference between lookup and master, and after that, how we are align the page, right? There is a small concept, and we are so we are using the same concept in the different situation. Again, I will explain you. Okay, no need to worry about that. So after that, okay. So come to see guys. Okay. So this is the hospital, doctor, patient, right? This is our, what about that objects, right? Tabs. So as per client point of view, these are the tabs. But these tabs are under sales application, right? These tabs are under sales application. So here, okay, here, this is the service. There is so many applications are there, right? Same like I am creating one application like HMS. Under that, I have added whatever the tabs as of now I created. Understand? Why? Because these tabs are not related to sales application. These tabs are related to our hospital management system application related, right? So that means we need to create our own application. Okay. So the application name is HMS. So if you want to create the application, again, if you want to create the object, set up objects, right? If you want to create the tab, set up tabs. Same like if you want to create the app, set up apps. Simple. Okay. So setup, click on setup. Then here, what is the keyword? Apps. Apps is a keyword, guys. So apps, where is the app? Under create, apps are there. Click on that. Very easy, guys. Same. How to create the object, how to create the tab, same. Okay, it is a point and click on new. See, these are the standard applications. Okay, which is, see here, whatever we are already saw here. Sales, service, marketing, something. See, sales, marketing, all tabs, these are the applications. Okay, now click on new. Here, there is a two types of applications, guys. Application types are two. Okay, the first one is custom application, second one is console application. So what is the difference between custom application and console application? Okay, so custom application is, for example, see, already sales is there. This is the custom application, the UI, how the look. See, okay, see here, this is the UI of the sales application. How it look like? All the options are available in the top. All the tabs are available on the horizontal. Okay. So if you want to need, for example, here how many tabs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and extra. There is none. So that means there is some, whatever difference is, all the tabs are aligned horizontally. For example, if you want to open any record, if you click on that, how the record will be opened? See, this is the under the tab. The tab is highlighted. Under that, the record is open like this. This is the custom application. What is the other? Console. Console application, the purpose of the console application is, I will tell you the small story. small scenario, then we'll go to the what about the how to create the application. For example, guys, I am purchasing one iPhone. Okay, I am purchasing iPhone. So then today, yesterday I purchased. Today the power bar, there is some issue. So what is my next step? Go to the service center. Or for example, I am in the what about the remote area. Then customer care, right? So I am calling to the customer care. Whenever I am calling the customer care, that means see, once those people are selling their product, though that job is not done. Those people are supporting for some service. Whatever the issues we are facing, those people are supporting us, right? For example, if those guys are, there is no what about that service. Assuming that I have some issue, but there is no call center and everything. So then in the next time onwards, nobody will purchase that product. Why? Because if you are getting any issue, there is no service, right? So that means every company, if you see any company, guys, like whatever the laptops or iPhones or whatever it may be, any company service must be provided, like washing machines, whatever, whatnot, right? That means once we are purchasing the product, those people are, I will tell you in the detailed way. So why I am introducing, I will tell you. See here, this is the company. Company means, for example, it is a Apple company. This is the customer. Forget about the how those there is so many steps are between involved. I will tell you that is a different concept. But as of now, company will selling the product, right? Whatever we know, we are just added as a diagram. Whatever in the diagram, guys. Company selling the product. So whenever company selling the product, customer got the product, then what is the benefit of company? What is the benefit of company, guys? Product sale. That means, what is that? Finally, every company expecting revenue, right? Profit or revenue. These people are getting the very simple way. This is called sales process. Every company, guys, we know every company selling their product, okay, through different channels like Amazon, like direct through shops, through what about that vendor, something like that. The mediums are different, but end of the day, what is that? Company release the product, customer purchase the product. So finally, company got the what about that? That product, sorry, customer got the product, company got the revenue. That means this cycle is completed. This is called sales cycle. That is called sales cloud. So that is called, this application does the sales application. How it is, there is so many steps, I will explain you. Okay, so if you want to, I already told you in the starting, guys, if you remember, so Salesforce provided by default applications. That is called, nobody is there in the starting session. Salesforce already providing some default applications. Yes, hello, good. So what is that? Those are called SaaS, software as a service, right? Salesforce provided some applications. Within that, one of the application is sales application. Why those people are, for example, why those people are not providing the Facebook application? Why those people are not providing the Amazon application? Why those people are providing only sales application? Why? Because, see, it is a business, guys. Business means, for example, if you are start any business, first of all, you need to analyze which one is good, which one, once you started, which one is we are getting more benefits or profits, right? Same like Salesforce people also, whenever those people are build some applications, which application is most useful in the current market? Which application is most useful means everybody, if you see that any, what about that in the general, every day, every common man purchasing some product, right? So every company sell their product. That means this selling the product, purchasing the product happen in our daily life. For example, per month, for example, today I'm purchasing some goods, I'm purchasing some vegetables, I'm purchasing something, blah, 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 so many things, right? So purchasing some vegetables means there is some polymeras are there, there's so many Ratndeep is there. So those people are required sales application. Why? Those people are selling their products. We are going to the Ratndeep, we are purchasing that. So Ratndeep people are getting the revenue, we are getting the vegetables. So if you are going to the Amirpet, any what about that shop, so we are purchasing one laptop. That means those people are selling their product, we are purchasing their product. So those people are getting the revenue, we are getting the product. That means every business involving in the sales guys. Without sales, business will not exist. That means sales is the heart of the, what about that, entire business. So that's the reason those people are analyzing, oh, this application is suitable for everybody using it. So that's the reason these people are creating the sales application. So now, for example, you are, what about that, you are involving, what about that, you are introducing one business. For example, in your hometown or whatever it may be, you want to invest, what about that, medical shop, for example. So medical shop also you are selling the, what about that, medicines, customers buy the medicine. For example, it's a big medicine shop, then you required one, what about the application. Which application? Sales application. You don't want to go to the, what about that, create from scratch. Already sales application is there. Where is that? In the Salesforce, sales application already there. Then you need to modify it accordingly. In your medical shop point of view here, instead of sales, in your case, my medical shop. Your medical shop name is my medical shop. Here your logo. Instead of sales, it is a my app, my medical shop app something. So here, like tab change. So how it is possible? Through PaaS, platform as application. So this is sales application, guys. This is sales application. Okay, this I will tell you the steps what is involving. That is the last concept. Okay, different. So here this is called sales application. So here, guys, in the sales application, the tabs are aligned like this. But once I'm purchasing the product iPhone, I got some issue. So then, for example, once you are purchasing the medicine, once you are reaching to your home, that medicine is expired, you are unable to see. Then you are again going to the medical shop or online, hey, it is expired. Then those people are providing the service. Service means what is happening? Changing the product. That means every business, what would provide the service. Without service, sales will not exist. If you are the guy to sell the product, but you are not providing any service, then what will happen? For example, I am purchasing the iPhone, like for example, iPhone Max Pro. It is a 1,35,000, right? So today I purchase, tomorrow the power button issue, it's not working. But those people are, there is no, what about that, online support, there is no customer care, there is no service. Then what I will do? I will put big whatever screenshot and whatever message I will post on the social profiles. No, please do, guys, please don't purchase the Apple product. So it is expand so many people, their business shares will be decreased. Why? Because nobody will. So it is big impact to the Apple. Understand? So that's the reason. See, guys, technical nothing, but first of all you are analyzing. I all told you from starting onward. First of all you are analyzing the business, then come to as a developer. Why? Because so many people, why failed means those people are only thinking like as a developer. Me also, okay, around like 5 years before. So whatever the task is coming, I just whatever the doing that, that's it my job. But that is not required, guys. Okay, as a developer, you need to think the business, what is happening. Then convert that business into the development, application level. Then you will get the more knowledge, guys. Okay, analyzing the current market, what is happening, how converting that as a developer. That's what that means both the sides you need to think, analyzing it. Okay, now, so service, guys. For example, I am the person call to the customer care. Whenever I am calling to the customer care, already that product I am purchasing from the Apple. That means Apple people already having my details. Understand? So whenever I'm calling, there is some internal configuration is there, guys. Those people are using one application called service. One application called service. So actually here it is not there. I will tell you. Okay, whenever I am, what about calling that based on my mobile number? Okay, this is a business. I will tell you. So based on my mobile number or email ID, automatically whenever that guy is lift my call, automatically my what about that details are open like this. This is the screen, assuming that within the screen, assume that this is the here. Automatically one case has been created. Okay, within the case, my all the details, guys, within that my all the details. What about that here my details, here my case details, here my product details, everything will be open in the same screen. That means who is the person based on my contact number. We need to configure that. So based on the contact number, automatically those all the screens are opened in the one screen. In that case, we are using what is that? Console application. Understand, here there is so many configurations are there. It is a script type. Okay, forget about that. So in the sales application at a time, if you see here in the sales application at a time, we are opened only, for example, contact. We are just opened only one record. See this record, this guy, Timber. This is the only record is open. But in the console application, this is, so the entire screen will be divided into the multiple parts. Okay, in the one part, oh, this guy is related to, why? Because whenever that guy is with that call, all the details are available. Understand? Oh, he is the Ashok, so he's purchasing this product, so and so that. This is the invoice. This is the, he's coming. What about that? He's, for example, some companies. For example, I'm the employee of Salesforce. Whenever I join the Salesforce, those people are providing the iPhone and Mac. Some goods are those people are provided. In that case, so I am not purchasing the iPhone. I am not purchasing the Mac. I am not purchasing the iPad. Who purchasing? Salesforce. Salesforce people gave the what about that those things to the employees. In that case, I am not the customer of the Apple. Who is the customer? Salesforce. So Salesforce is customer, but he is not a person. Salesforce is a company. So company is a customer of another company. Understand? This is a business, guys. So that's the reason. See, the customers, if I am the person purchasing one product, iPhone, I'm purchasing directly to the, what about that? Through Amazon or Flipkart or something like that. In that case, so my details are captured, those people. So whenever I called, Ashok details are coming. What Ashok, what about the purchase the product, Apple product. Those details are coming. When it is product, when it is purchased, what is the warranty and guarantee, something like that. For example, the second way. What is the second way? Some people are, for example, some companies are offered, what about that? Whenever, for example, Salesforce. Whenever we are joined the Salesforce, those people, based on your designation, common, those people are providing the one Apple phone and Mac. Okay, so these two you are not purchasing from the Apple. These two products, Salesforce people purchasing from the, what about that? Apple people. That means Ashok is not customer of the Apple. Ashok is an indirect customer of the Apple. Who is direct customer? Salesforce. So Salesforce is not a person. Salesforce is a company. That means it is an account. Salesforce is a account. So in that case, whenever you are, again, instead of that, Timber, for example, here is the Timber calling that. Okay, then Timber details are open, account details are open, product details are open. Understand? So the same screen, all the whatever different details are open. Okay, those type of situations we are using console application. So this is for purely service related application. Got it? This is the critical, guys. Okay. Now custom application. So we are using custom. Go. Now, what is the application name? What is the application name? For example, HMS, Hospital Management System. App name. This is the API name. Please remember, whenever we are creating anything in the Salesforce, internally API name will be generated, right? Next, here, if you want to add any logo, okay, this is the option. But here, the interview question is, if you are adding any logo, that logo must be less than 20 KB. And it should be 300 pixel width, 55 pixel height. Okay, understand? So what is that? The logo. So we are creating the application, right? So that application we require one logo. That logo must be less than 20 KB height and width. Width is 300 pixels and height is 55 pixels. So, but we don't have any. I think in my desktop there is some logos. See here. If you click on that, it is showing one window. That means this is also one object, right? It is a lookup. It is a lookup, right? Why? Because it is not mandatory, guys. It is not mandatory. If you click on next, going next, that means it is not mandatory. Logo is not mandatory. It is optional. Like that, you need to analyze that, guys. See. Now, if you click on the insert, what happened? One window open. Window means one dialog. When it is open, that means there is some relationship to the other object. Okay. So what is the object? This object is document. Document is an object which is stored over all the images or all the files. Okay. The kind of content related things we need to store here. Where? What is the folder? My personal documents folder. What is the object name? Document is an object. Within the document, you need to add your logo, your whatever UI developer or something. Those people are design some whatever that logo, right? That logo you need to upload here. How? First of all, I need to download the logo, guys. Go to the Google. Logo small. We'll see. For example, this is good. Anything, okay? Right click. Any image, guys, that is up to you. Save image as in the desktop. HMS logo. I'm just changing the name, okay? You can download one image, guys. That is up to you. Your image also fine, right? First of all, you need to check what is the size. 37 KB. But what about our size? 20 KB, yeah? 20 KB. That means it is not suitable for us. That is the problem. Very small image. I think this is also not possible. We'll see. No, na. We'll see. $11 KB. Good, right? So now I'm just changing, rename my logo. Okay. Please remember that word. I will forget that. My logo in the desktop. Now logo is ready. Okay. Close all the tabs where we are here. But it is not uploading from the desktop. If you want to upload any logos, there is an option called document object. So document is an object which is stored all the files, right? Files means images, some text files, something like that. Okay, not only logo purpose. So document is a storage space which is storing images, text files, whatever the files you have, you need to store there. So how to go? Where is the logo? Where is the document? There is no document tab. How to go? Right? So, guys, if you need any whatever other tabs, here there is a plus icon is there. Click on that. All the tabs, all the custom and standard tabs. Custom means we are created the tabs. Standard means Salesforce provide the tabs. All the tabs are, if you click on the plus icon, okay, any application, go to any application, click on the plus icon. All the tabs are able to see here. Okay, now what is the object? See, you don't want to by heart anything, guys. See here, depending on situation, we are identify one object. If you are by heart all the objects, we have more than 1,000 or 2,000 objects. It's not possible. Depending on situation, which object we need to use. Now we learn new thing. What is that? If you want to store any logos or some files, what about that? Click on this. What is that? Personal document. Oh, document. My personal file location. My personal document. It is a folder. In the whatever desktop, if you want to add images or files, we are creating the folders, right? This is the folder. So what is the object name? Document is the object name. So come here, just Control F, DOCUMENT, document. Where is that? See, document. Click on that. Now only one folder is there. Okay, if you want to create, you can create. So now click, see, if you want to create another folder, create new folder. But I don't require new. Here HMS logo file name, that is the file name LOGO. This is the, see guys, please understand, here in the Salesforce point of view, we are creating the record on the document object. So this is the record, like same patient, doctor, something. This is the record. Within the record, the content is different. See here, this is the record name. What is that? HMS logo. Now, indicate document is internal, external am available. That means this image, whatever we are uploading that image, did you use within the Salesforce or outside the Salesforce as well? So here see, if you are using indicate document is internal, that means we are using within the Salesforce, right? This is the sharing access. For example, you are creating the Amazon website, that is external. So in that case, we are using your image. So in that case, you need to check this. So always this is better, guys. Why? Because either internal or external, both. If you are check this, the both the cases it should work. Okay. Now folder. Why folder? In our case, only one folder is there. Maybe I'm the person creating Ashok folder, some other person, sales people creating sales folder, service people are providing service folder, something like that. So their images are storing in their folder. So in that case, we are choosing your respective folder. But in our case, only one folder. So my personal folder. Add your description, why you are creating. Keywords don't require. Now see, select the file. Choose file. Where is that? Desktop. My logo. Okay. Don't require. Now save it. It is saved. See, same like this is seems like one. What about that? Record. This is the logo. Okay. Now, what is the size? 10 KB. Now come to here. Click on that. HMS logo. Whatever we are added, that record come to here. Click on that. Okay. Yeah. Now, next. So, what is choose the tabs to include this custom app. So, which tab you want to add in your application? What are the tabs? The first one is, see guys, any application home is mandatory. For example, if you want to try, the home tab cannot be removed. By default, any application is home tab will be there. You are unable to remove it. Okay, guys. So now we are already creating how many tabs? Hospital, doctor, patient. So first, as a order, hospital. Then doctor. Then patient, P, patient. Okay, if you want to change the order, select that, see patient up, down, down. Okay guys, now see default landing tab. That means see, if you are open that any application, service application, which tab is highlighted? Home. If you want to open sales application, which tab is highlighted? Home. So that is the option here. Default landing tab. What about that? Home. If you want to change it, you can change. But home is better. Okay, why? Because by default home tab, on the top of it, whatever records you want to create, you need to click on that tab. Okay. Now click on next. See guys, this is the access level. As of now, click on that. I will tell you in the last, not now. This is a completely different concept. Next, save. Now see, where is that? HMS. See guys, console applications. See, this is the console, sample console. If you open that, where is the sample console? Here it is not there. There is no access. Okay. See here. Now, if you see here, guys, there is so many applications are there. Use your common sense, guys. How we know how to identify the custom applications here? For example, list of applications are there. So some people are saying, hey, can you tell me which one is custom application? How to identify the custom application here, guys? What? Right, sir? No, not this custom. Our own standard applications and custom applications, right? Standard means which is provided by the Salesforce. Custom means we are the person to create the custom application. So if you open that, if you open all the applications, how do you know which one is created someone, which one is Salesforce provided by default? Yes, what is the option? Delete. Why delete means the standard application which is provided by the Salesforce, we are unable to delete it. But in the custom application, delete option is there. That means if you want to use it, use it. Otherwise, if you want to delete it, delete it. But that is a standard one, it is not possible. Like that, out of 100 applications or 20 applications or 30 applications, you are easily recognized using this delete option. Okay? Yeah. Now, where is that? HMS. Click on that. By default, home is, what about the default tab? So that's the reason home is highlighted. Now, hospital, doctor, patient. See the logo. Our application is ready, guys. Okay? Now, this is how we are creating the application. Okay? It's very simple, guys. Okay? Now, patient. Open that, any patient. Okay. Only these are the details we are, oh, here it is there, right? Okay. So this is the patient, guys. So in that patient, yeah, who is this guy? Many people are there. Complete details. Vijay. If you open the Vijay, okay. Now understand the business, guys. Vijay visited to the hospital. So the reception guy grab all the details and create the record. So this is stored in the hospital database. But after that, how that guy is going to the particular doctor? This guy is providing one, what about that? Slip, right? One PDF, not PDF, one hard copy, right? That means we need to generate the PDF. PDF means we need to give the printout. Understand? Printout. How to provide the printout? Printable view. This is a printable view. Here, this is the printable view, guys. Here, print this page. If you click on the print this page, this is coming. Okay. Now here, guys, see, this is the final receipt for us, right? So, serial number, understand as a customer. See, guys, here logo will not reflect. Why? Because it is a developer edition. Okay. It is not a licensed version, guys. Okay, so that's the reason. So, serial number, patient name, mail, this is cardio, and date of birth, contact number, blood group, hospital, John. Is there any information required here, guys? Is there any information required? Don't think like a whatever developer, guys. Common man. As a common man, please think it. Is there any information in this PDF? In this? Yes, hospital address. Good. Again, fees. Right? Please recognize our requirement first. So in this, for example, you are what about that? Seeing this hard copy. First of all, everybody, for example, your friend refer this hard copy. That guy first of all see that which hospital, what is the branch, and what is the fee. Who is the doctor? What is the fee? Right? Okay. So that means hospital first recognized which information we required here. So in that copy, out of these details, hospital is there, but hospital address is not there. In the Hyderabad Max Cure Hospital means which branch? That means here I required what? In the patient level, guys, please remember the patient hard copy. Okay, the patient hard copy I required, what is that? Branch. One more information. That means hospital address something. Again, sorry, fees. Again, is there any other? No? Okay, in the doctor point of view. In the doctor point of view, for example, you are the doctor. Why? Because, guys, see, the business is very important. I all told you multiple times. Please don't think like a developer. Developer can do whatever that guy say that. You are just doing the development. But in our career point of view, you need to analyze the requirement. Understand? So if you're good in the business, you will be always good in the program level. Why? Because what you require, first of all, you need to analyze that. Then development is very easy, guys. So that's the reason I am telling, analyze the requirement first. So as a common man, if you are see your friend refer this, see this what about that hard copy? Okay, hospital. Which branch? That guy is asking which branch. So that means you need to provide branch in the PDF. That is the first requirement. So branch. Then what is the fees? This is your friend point of view. Now doctor point of view. Doctor point of view. Oh, your name is. So I am the doctor. So that patient is with the doctor. Who is the doctor? John. Doctor see this information. Okay, Vijay, male. Okay, cardio, date of birth. Then that guy is not calculate the what about your age. It is a 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, don't like that. So he required exact figure, right? What is the exact age? That means here in the doctor point of view, that guy required age. Age. Understand? Like that you need to analyze, guys. One is your friend point of view or our family point of view. One is doctor point of view. Doctor point of view, that guy only see date of birth. But that guy required age, whatever you are a senior citizen or you are a kid or whatever exact age. Based on that, those guys are providing the medicine, right? In that case, it is a 1945 something. 1945 means that guy is, you are above 50 or above 60. It is very difficult to find out. So that's the reason. That's the reason. What about that? You need to calculate the age as well. You need to display the age. Okay. Date of joining Alok, we are not whatever considered as a inpatient and outpatient. We are just considered it is a outpatient. Okay, he is not an inpatient. Okay, inpatient is different. That is a different story. I will tell you. Now, as of now, we are identified branch fees is right. Now, see guys, already branch. If you go to the patient, if I'm creating the branch, again I'm entering the branch in the, what about that? For example, I'm creating one field here, branch, in the patient, and enter the branch details of the hospital. But in the hospital, please guys, this concept is very important. In the hospital, already branch is there. What is the branch? Jubilee Hills branch something. Okay, Jubilee Hills branch something. In the hospital level, what happened? In the hospital level, already branch is there, address. Okay. See here. If I am creating the hospital, whatever the branch here, then already branch already there in the hospital level. We are creating in the patient level. That means it is a what? Duplicate data. That means data redundancy. Understand? So that's the purpose, right? The Salesforce people are introducing their relationship. Again, it is whatever the old history will be repeated. That means you don't want to create duplicate data. But the data already there. The data already there. Where? In the hospital, right? That means you don't want to create, but you want to display the data on the patient. So on the patient level, doctor already, sorry, hospital already there. Within the hospital, see here, we are displaying the hospital name here. Same like we are displaying the hospital address here, but we are not created the new data. We are just refer that. Go to hospital record and get the data and display it. That means same data we are referring multiple ways. Understand? We are not creating new data. In this type of situations, we are using one concept, guys. What is that concept called? Formulas. What is that? Formulas. Why formulas means already, correct, right? F-O-R-M-U-L-E-S. Okay. Already the data is in the parent record. As a developer, branch already there in the hospital. That means parent record. So one patient having one, what about that? One hospital record. So we need to tell them to the system, hey, whenever we are creating the record, go to check the hospital is there or not. If the hospital is there, then go to the hospital and get the, within the hospital, get the address and display here. We are just displaying it, but we are not entering. Okay. So in that type of situations, we are using formula. Already existing data already there. You are just get the existing data and display in the child record. For example, another guys. See, date of birth. Date of birth, it is there. Now, how to calculate the age, guys? For example, forget about the technical. We are already done our BTech, up to BTech, right? From 1 to 10, 10 to plus 2, plus 4, plus 3, something like that, right? Simple. How to calculate your age? Current date minus date of birth, right? Don't apply any rocket science, guys, here. Simple. What is that? Current date minus date of birth. Now tell me, current date minus date of birth, what is coming, guys? Huh? The whole number means what is that? Either years or months or hours. What is coming? That number refers to what? Number. How? Date minus date. Some people are saying that date minus last value. Some people are saying that the date minus date means date. Okay. Okay. So tell me guys, current date minus date of birth. One number is coming. It is not a development. Number, what about the date minus date? What is coming guys? That number refers to year. No Chandani. Days minus year. No. One number is coming. For example, this is the number. Assuming that this is the number. That number refers to general guys. Generally, that number refers to that guy years or that guy months or that guy hours. What is that? Huh? Alok, it is a age, man. I know, but that number refers to. It is a. This guy is born. Up to today 678 hours or 678 seconds or 678 days or 678 days, something like that. What is that? Days, okay, days, guys. Okay, see guys, that's the reason. The problem here is we are already what about that? 10 plus 2 plus 4 or 10 plus 2 plus 3, sorry, 10 plus 2 plus after enter degree plus 3 MCA. So we are already did all the academics, but we are not applied those concepts here. All the people are assuming that our academics are different, our what about the IT is different. Whatever you are learn, this is not an what about the IT guys. This is the basic thing, right? It's a what about that in my kid, like 7 years or 8 years of the kids are doing that nowadays. Okay, for me it is a different. Okay, nowadays those people are getting the in the academic year, date minus date is equal to number of days. Then how to convert that days minus what about that years? We require age. Age means how to tell that. I am born like I born up to now. This is my days. Whenever someone asking, so my age is 6,789 days, like that. No, right? We need to change the days to what? So it's the math class, guys. Okay, divided by 12 days. First of all, days converting to years. 365. Look, not 30. Days, first of all. Okay, days divided by 365. What is coming? Years. Okay, I don't know. For example, it is a 20 or 30 or 32 something. So 32 is a years. This is called what? Age. Now this is called what about that? CURRENT, current date minus date of birth divided by 365. What do you get? Age in years. Right? This is the what about the one formula. Generally, it is a formula. We call it in the mathematical point of view, it is a formula. Now, this formula you need to apply. You need to create one field. What is the field? Age. Within the age, you don't want to enter. Why? Because we are already date of birth. So you need to create this formula. Then, whenever you are entering the date of birth, current date minus date of birth divided by 365. The total, what about that? 30 or 35. Age is equal to 35 is automatically displayed here. Understand, guys? So that means you are providing one formula, guys, depending on your logic. This is called logic. This is your logic. Okay, different people doing different way. So how in the IT, how efficient way? See, guys, the same task, 10 people are doing in the 10 different way, but we need to choose which is the best way. Understand? That is called efficiency, the application efficiency, the application performance. Okay, some people are saying, hey, if you click on this app is not working properly. Why? Because the performance is not good. Okay, so that's the reason whenever you are writing any logic, you need to follow the best practices. So here, this is the formula. Okay, if you are calculating something, so this is the formula. And second one is branch. Branch means how to calculate branch. In the patient level, we are creating branch or address, anything is fine. Branch. Branch is equal to, how to get the branch, guys? Here, branch is equal to hospital, go to hospital, within the hospital, which field? Address. So that means hospital, go to hospital. Okay, within the hospital, maybe 100 fields are there or 200 fields are there. Maximum how many fields, guys? 500. Good. So maximum 500. So we are tell them system, hey, go to the hospital. Within the hospital, I required what? What is that? Address. Address field. ADDRE. Forget about the spellings, guys. Okay. So how do you know? How to tell that? Between that dot. Dot is a access operator. Access means getting. Okay. We are telling that the system, hey, system, go to the hospital. Which hospital? That patient associated hospital. Go to the hospital. Within the hospital, the system is going to the hospital. So this is the hospital. Within that, how many fields are there? Hospital name is there. Hospital address is there. Hospital created by owner, last matter. Within that, you need to access only one field. Which field? Address. So that if you are accessing something, okay, we have what about the bulk of data? Here, 5 fields are 5 fields. So 5 bulk data is there. Within the 5 bulk data, you need to get only one data. In that case, we are using what about that? Access operator. Okay, you called access operator. Don't use dot. Okay, why? Because we are grown up, we are professionals, right? Don't use dot. Okay, dot is a access operator. If you want to get something, okay, then we are using dot. Dot is a access operator. Dot address. Then what is coming? Whenever you are click on save the record, it is checking hospital is there or not. Yes, hospital is there. Then go to the hospital. Within the hospital address, Jubilee Hills branch. That Jubilee Hills branch will be assigned to your branch on the hospital, whatever patient. Understand? So see, this is the formula. This is also one more formula. Formula means depending on your requirement. Here I required age. Here I required parent related field. Understand, guys? Understand? Now we need to create these two. What about other? Tell me that. What about other? Fees. Again, you need to think if you want to create, get the fees. You don't want to create. Why? Fees already there. Where? In the doctor. In the doctor, in the which field? Fees field. That means fees. Can you tell me good word, guys? Fees, instead of fees, consultation fees. Tell me spelling. Consultant fee. SUNSULTAN. Consultant. Okay. Consultant fee. We will see. Okay. Is equal to consultation better. This is better. CONSUL consultation. Okay, consultation is equal to what is that? You need to tell them system, hey, where is that fees is there? In the doctor. In the doctor, go to the doctor first. Within the doctor, which field? Fees. That means doctor dot fees. Understand? So these are the formula fields, guys. Okay. Now you need to see here. We don't want to use any. What about that brain? It is just academics. Okay. Now the same things. First of all, I'm creating consultation branch, then ACE. These three things you need to create which object, guys? Patient. How to create the field? Go to post.com, view field. So new. What is the data type, guys? This data type. What is the type of data here? Formula. Why? Because we are creating the formula field. Understand? So formula. Next. Whenever you are creating the formula, it is asking. So what is the first one? Consultation. From bottom to top, guys. Okay. Where is that? Consultation. This is the API. Now, what is the consultation? See, consultation having a piece. Piece means it is a which type? Piece is a which data type? Currency. So that's the reason here. What is that? It is asking what is the type? Currency. That means consultation is the currency type. Next. Now, where to enter this formula? Right? So we know the formula. We are on the paper. We are already put that formula. Okay, we are already wrote here. Now this thing we need to add in the system. That means we require one editor. Right? One editor means one. What about that pageable? What about that editor to add your logic? So here, see, this is the editor. Formula editor. Now slowly we are going to the development as well. This also we are adding some logic, right? Logic means development, guys. Okay. So here, what is the formula? Doctor dot face. So doctor, how to get the doctor? You don't want to do anything, guys. Here, click on that. See here. See guys, here, simple formula. Simple formula. What is that? Yeah, simple formula, advanced formula. Simple formula means, for example, direct, I will tell you in the particular situation. And here see, advanced formula. What is the advanced formula means? If you want to refer what about the other objects. Okay, click on that. So, for example, here directly you are entering consultation, right? 700. It is a hard coding. Always consultation is 700. This is a simple editor. Okay, but I required my own logic. Okay, but this data is coming from other object information. Which object? Doctor. So, advanced. Here, insert fields are there. Insert field. Which field? In the patient point of view, doctor also one field. So first of all, you need to select the doctor field. Insert fields. Where is that? Doctor is there. This is the patient. Under patient, there is an arrow. Arrow means it's a record. For example, see, there is all are record. Patient is a record. Under patient, which field first? See, doctor, doctor, two are there. Arrow, arrow means go to the doctor field. Click on that. Within the doctor field. See, API name. I all told you in the starting, whenever you are writing any logic, internally we are using API name, not labels. Now, insert. What is that? Doctor underscore underscore R. Why R? Doctor, API name is doctor underscore underscore C, right? Why R? R means it is telling it is a relationship. R means relationship. So doctor underscore underscore R means it is a relationship field. So go to this relationship object and get the field. R means relationship. Understand? Now, okay, we are already written the formula. We are not entering. Already it is a point and click, guys. But I don't know whether this is correct or not. Okay. So how do you know how to check whether whatever I entered here, this is correct or not? For example, if it's not correct, what happened whenever you are click on the save or next? What happened? The system checking the what about that the syntax whether it is correct or not. Okay. So here, guys, I will introduce two words, guys. As of now, one word in the entire our career we will use it. Okay. The first one is whenever I am click on next, who will check it? Who will check it? This syntax. Internally, any programming language, guys, any what about that, any course like Salesforce or .NET or Java, internally those people are providing one software, guys, one application, one what do you call program, one program. Okay, that program file called we are already know, but we don't know why. Compiler. What is that? Compiler. What is meant by compiler, guys? It's a no. What is the purpose of the compiler? Yeah, compiler is very, very important, guys. In the nobody will tell this. So this is subject, guys. Okay. Compiler means whatever you are writing the logic in your system, whether in the Salesforce or Java or .NET or SAP or wherever it is. Okay. So Salesforce providing one compiler. It is a program. So in my what about that academic in the MCA, whenever those people are demonstrated, that guy said compiler is a what about that? It is a hardware. Compiler is not a hardware, guys. There is a myth. Compiler is a program which is developed by the respective technology, guys. We are in Salesforce. Salesforce people are providing one application. That one program. That program is what about the compiler. So whenever you are writing something and click on next, first in the see, this is the primary step, guys. This thing is applied in your entire wherever you are go. Okay, in the entire logic. Whenever you are writing something and click on next, first the compiler program is executed. The compiler is not a tool or it is not a hardware device. Compiler is a software. It is a program. The compiler come to the picture and check your code syntax, whether you are writing the proper syntax or not. Okay, if it is good, then it allow the next. Otherwise, it will not allow. For example, how? Here see, guys, check syntax. Check syntax is a button. Once you are writing the anything, click on check syntax. So internally, who will come to the picture? Compiler come to the picture and check your syntax. The syntax is correct or not. If it is a correct, what happened? What is that? Error. Who provided this? Forget about that. Error. So if the compiler identify anything, any issue, then it is displaying the error. So in the our application level, wherever you are see the any error, who will send that error? Compiler. Understand, guys? In the application level, wherever you are see the error, that error will be displayed the compiler. Because of compiler, we got the error. Okay, compiler check your syntax. If the syntax is not correct, then it is display the one message. That message is called error. Now in the real time, those people are in the interview, those people are asking what is meant by error. If you are asking any 10 years or 15 years of experience guys also, those people are error means error. Error means not error. Error means, see guys, when you know, so when we are identify you have good knowledge or you have good skill, whatever we are asking, if you are create the definition you are as per your understanding in your own way, not in the book read. Okay. For example, here what we are understand, whenever I am check the syntax, then compiler send what about compiler come to the picture and checking the syntax. If the syntax is any issue, then it is sending error. Then you need to construct your own definition, guys. How? So whenever you are, what about that? Check the, so whenever you are write any logic, the compiler come to the picture, and check the syntax. If any syntax issue is there, then it is sending one message. That message is called error. Like that, you need to explain in your interview, guys. So what is meant by error means? Error means error. Don't say like sweet and short answers. Everybody know error means error. Okay, what is Salesforce means? Salesforce means Salesforce. Not like that. You need to elaborate the definition as per your understanding. What is that? Here we are writing something. Okay, when you click on that, what is that? One message is coming. So what is happening in the internal? What is happening whenever I am writing some logic? This is the logic, right? Whenever I am writing some logic, then compiler come to the picture. The compiler check the syntaxes. If any syntactical issue is there, then it is sending one message. That message is called error. Understand, guys? Okay. Now, what is that? Field. Piece is a pick list. So, see, guys, piece is a pick list. Please understand here. That's the reason I choose this. So here, doctor __ dot piece. What is the piece type, guys? Pick list. So that means this data type, it returns the pick list data type. We are storing this pick list data type in the currency. It is a incompatible. Storing the date to date, storing the text to text, storing the currency to currency. But piece is a pick list data type. Right? So this pick list value we are storing into the currency. So that's the reason the compiler, hey, you are getting the pick list value, but you are storing currency. So that's the reason saying piece is a pick list field. Pick list field are only support in the certain function. Then what we will do? Then what I will do first, I am changing this to first text. Text is fine. So how to change the text? Why? Because text, see, this is the pick list, right? Converting this pick list to text, guys. For that, here there is some advanced functions already provided these people. Okay, you need to check one by one, guys. I don't want to cover all those things. If I cover, it is taking more than 1 month. Okay, so here just a type text. What is that? Text. See here, text of value. What is the value here? Cursor, put the cursor insert. In the value, you need to add this. That means this pick list value converting to text. So text always going to currency. Why? Because text means currency also one type of text, guys. Now see. Incompatible text. Okay. This is okay. This is the currency, right? It is not actually. Currency is there. Currency rate. No, not possible. Okay. Okay, guys. I will change. This is not possible. I will change. The consultation is a text, guys. Where is the consultation? Why? Because it is not supported. So I'm changing to, see, guys, go back. Consultation, it is just for display purpose, right? Display purpose means it is a text is fine. I'm not entering previous. Here, why? Because it is not supported. So that's the reason I'm changing to text. Now see, consultation is a text. These are the adjustment, guys. Okay. Adjustment means sometimes not supported. So that's the reason like this. So doctor __ r dot piece is a pick list field. Pick list we are converting to text. Already consultation is a text. So we are getting the text data and store the text data. Okay. Now we'll see check syntax. Compiler come to the picture and check everything. No syntax errors in the merge field function. So to forget about that. So this is the formula. Now go to next, visibility. Visible to, we are creating the new field, right? Consultation. Now save as of now. See guys, 15. Why lock is coming? It is not a, we are not entering. So system automatically calculated, go to the whatever doctor and get the piece value and display here. For example, if you edit it, consultation will not display. Why? Once you save it, then it is going to the doctor object and get the respective piece. That's called formula, right? For example, go to other patient. This is a cardio, na? Is there any other patient? Is that? Okay, Peter. If you open the Peter, see 1200. Why? Peter related fees is 1200. Understand? So who calculated? System will calculate it. This is called formula. Okay. Now what about other branch? Same guys. Fields, creating the branch. New formula. Next, what is that? Branch address. Branch address. Okay. What is the AP name, guys? Branch underscore address underscore underscore C. So branch is a text type. First of all, check that where is the branch, guys? Hospital. Check the, this is the address. It is a text. That means here also our branch is text. Where is the text? Text. Next, advanced formula. So where to go? For branch, go to the hospital. Within the hospital, address, right? So that's the reason here. Insert. Where is the hospital, guys? Under patient. Under patient, hospital is a one field. Where is the hospital? Hospital. Which one you need to choose? This one. If you choose this, record is not coming, only that data. So hospital is a record. Within the object, address. Now tell me, guys, what is the formula field AP name? Now hospital underscore underscore R by relationship. Hospital underscore underscore R dot address underscore underscore C. Okay. See, like that you need to analyze, guys, before click on that. Okay, your skill will be increased. Okay. Hospital underscore underscore R dot address. Now we don't know whether it is correct or not. Who come to the picture? Compiler come to the picture and check the what about the syntaxes. If everything good, then we didn't get any error message. Any syntactical issues are there, then it is sending one message. That message is called error. Okay. Now next. Guys, in the left side, in the right side, there is a box is there, right? So check that what are the functions are available. Okay, you need to try different ways. Okay. Some people are saying that can you explain all the functions? If I explain all the functions more than 1 month, okay, it is not possible, guys. So now I need to create one more. Okay, we'll see first. Where is that? Branch. It is a locking. Why? This data we are not entered. It is reference data. Reference of what? Hospital. Understand? Now, what about the last one? Is. Okay. New. Is a. Age is a formula. What is the data type? Data type, madam. Age data type. Number. Here we are getting the age is equal to 30 something, 40 or 50. That means age data type is a number. Where is the number? Number. So do you, for example, someone asking what about your age? My age is 30 years, 2 months. Not like that, right? Don't say like that. We are not saying like 30 years, 2 months, 30 years, like 18 years, 4 months, something like that, right? We are saying like 18 years or 20 years. So in that case, I don't require decimal places. See, that is the analysis, guys. Okay. Now formula. What is the formula? Current date minus date of birth divided by 365. So current date, that means today date. We need to get the today date. How to get the today date? We have, what about that? Advanced functions. Now you need to check it here. Understand? Check that. ABS. What is the ABS? Absolute number. Return the absolute value of a number without a sign. That means, for example, 2.3. 2 is the absolute number. Like that, this one. Equals and add month. For example, you have a date. Add, for example, today date. What about that? 9/1/2022. If you are using, see, date number. In the date, if you are passing 9/1/2022, what about the month? 9th, right? 9th month. Number. Here, if you are passing 2, 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 means 11. That means 2 months are added to the date. In that case, this is the function. Like that, there is so many. Here, what is that? We required, I know, the function. Tan. We saw somewhere, right? Where is the tan? The trigonometry functions. The whatever academic years, guys. Tan, cos, something. That's the reason. Don't please compare both academics and everything, guys. Time now. What is the current time? Time value. Today. See, this is the function. Return the current date. This is what we required. So today. Next, what is our formula? Minus today. Here operators are there. Minus today minus date of birth. Under patient, date of birth. Today minus date of birth. Sorry? Divided by. Okay. Divided by 365. Is it correct, guys? This formula is correct? Correct, huh? No. Why? Good. Anyone? Yeah, good, guys. So, guys, please. What about in our academics? We learned one theory. What is that? There is one rule, right? So, for example, there is some expression 2 into 4 into 4 divided by bod mass. So, I am explaining the maths as well, guys. CODMAS. CO. What is that? First, any expression, for example, 2 into 4 plus 6 divided by 7 bracket and 6 plus 90. This is the expression. In that case, first the system will be validate bracket, this one. Then one result is coming. Then off. For example, here off is there. Then off. D division. Then 6 divided by this result. Then multiplication. These two. Like that, this is one theory in the mathematics. It is not a technical. Okay, it is the academic. So same way, if you see here, guys, here minus is there, divided by is there. Which one? What is the first order? First order is bracket of division is the first order. Division means date of birth by 365. That means your date by 365. It is not possible. Number by 365 is not possible. So that's the reason, first of all, you need to put this in the bracket. Now, what is the first priority? Bracket. Date today minus date. One number is coming. Then divided by 365. Understand, guys? Check syntax. Okay? Next. Save. Now see, age is 65. Now take the printout. Everything is there. Serial number, patient name, gender, disease. What about that? Date of birth, consultation, address, age, everything is there. Now you need to, whatever you want, you need to create like that. So this is the formula fields, guys. Understand? So in the formula fields, we have an advanced function. Within the advanced function, you need to choose whatever you want. Okay, that is, you need to practice it, guys. Yeah, that's it. So formula fields are done. Okay. Now tomorrow again we are going to the page layout. Why? Because I will explain the one scenario. So then go to the page layout. We have just drag and drop the fields, right? So there is other way, in the deeper way. So I will go to that, then explain. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, if you have, yeah, go ahead. There is no data, right? There is no data. There is no data. Only here data is there. Okay. That's the reason I told you. Till now I didn't get access. Can you please give the access to the Shravan? What about your mail ID? Send me your email ID. I will check and let you know. Yeah, Giant, tell me. I don't have option. Okay, I will take that. No, Giant, I don't have access mic. You need to type here. I don't have access mic to enable the mic. If you have any questions, please ping me this mobile number. Salesforce account. We are not started any account, right? To Google Drive. So we are not introducing, right? I also have that, right? But especially I'm unable to update. Guys, who were not able to give the access, you don't have access, can you type here? Can you type your mail ID here? I will check and let you know. Jyoti, see guys, the recording videos you need to ask to Shyam sir, okay? Okay, up to Tarun, that's fine. Any other? Yeah. I think Giant, you are in. Ravan, I will tell you. Giant, I think you are using the different account, different Salesforce account. Guys, please, this is the link. Whenever you are creating the already in the org, I will show you. If you have any questions, you can send this one, guys. Okay. 1 second. Yeah, see, in the first document, I already provided one link. Please use that link only, guys. See here. Yeah, see here. This is the link, guys, for creating the org. Please use this link. This link only. Why? Because so many people are using that trial edition. Trial edition, we don't have an option to develop something, and also that is expired within only. It is valid up to 30 days. Okay. Yeah. First of all, you were creating the lookup, Jyoti. I already explained in the second one, right? Where is that? So here I explained, go through the document. Where is that? So master detailed relationship, right? She is unable to create the master detailed relationship. Yeah, here see. Approach 1, approach 2, data redundancy here. Yeah, relationship, lookup and master. Oh, up to here. I think I will update the what about that? Jyoti, I will update that sheet. Okay. Already this topic is over. I will update that. Then you can go through that. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. So this is the mail ID, guys. This is my mail ID. Guys, if I am not responded, at least I will respond it within 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. Okay, don't forget, don't mind. Why? Because I'm not able to open my mail ID due to my other schedule. So, but at least I will, anyhow, I will reply that. Okay, Ashok77 SFDC. This is my mail ID. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I have other session. Thanks, Alok. Thank you so much. Thanks for your feedback.